Alright, doing a sound test once again. Just want to double check. Make sure everything's alright. Gonna have myself call in. Alright, answer. Alright. Put myself on speakerphone and see how that works. I want to put myself on speakerphone and see how that works. Pretty good sound, at least from what I'm hearing. We'll see how it records. Shitcock. I don't know. What am I doing here? We'll see. Hardy hard. This is all on the phone. All on the phone. Max simulation. Talked on the phone. I'm Max. Hello. Coming back into the car. I'm canceling that one thing, but I'll be able to still record, and hopefully I hear myself now to hear the difference in tones and work on that.